This is a brand new Tesla Model Y, and it only has about 100 kilometers on it. And the owner wouldn't drive it until we covered it in XPEL paint protection film. Over the next few minutes, I'm gonna show you what we did to make sure that this car gets the maximum protection that it deserves. Specifically with Teslas, you want it to get protected because it has one of the softest paints, especially when you drive in areas like Edmonton, Alberta. You'll get a lot of rock chips, grimes, weather changing. So the math here is pretty simple. It's either get it protected once or fix it forever. Before we install any film on this car, we want to make sure that it's clean. So we're actually going to prep it first. And what this means is we're going to get all the decontaminants out. And even though this car is only like about 2 weeks old, it still doesn't mean that it's clean.
I'll try to see the line right here. Dusty. No, it's okay. Head stuff. System right. Huh.
Just before the end of the video, guys, I just want to say thank you so much for watching until the end of the video. If you happen to like the video, make sure to hit that like button. If you have any questions about PPF or just thoughts overall about the video, make sure to comment that down below. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button as it does help the channel out a lot. Again, thank you so much. I can't wait to see you all in the next video. Have a good day.